I could see if there was a collision or if someone had put a duplicate row into the dataset. Some idiot on the engineering team, me, had been using a dummy hash function while setting up the test harness and forgot to swap it out for the real thing. The dummy code returned a simple XOR of the data with a max entropy of 8 bits. Production data was a few billion rows and processing would take a while. So the doofus on the engineering team, me, kicked off the test job on Friday before logging out for the weekend. Sunday night, I started seeing alerts from our monitoring system flooding in. I sent up a quick prayer for both the on-call and whatever poor sod on the engineering team was responsible for the mess. Again, me. I thought nothing more